If you are looking for the best 4K drones in 2026 without spending DJI level money, then this video is for you. AliExpress has become one of the biggest places to buy budget 4K drones, but the problem is most of them look similar and the specs can be very confusing. Some say 8K, some say 4K, but not all of them deliver the same real-world performance. So in this video, I will break down the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress in 2026 based on features like camera quality, flight stability, GPS accuracy, battery life, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. L600 Pro GPS Drone. Starting at number 5, we have the L600 Pro GPS drone. It comes with a 4K HD dual camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, brushless motors, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. This is one of the most popular budget 4K drones on AliExpress. The biggest advantage here is GPS positioning combined with obstacle avoidance, which makes flying much safer for beginners. The 5G Wi-Fi FPV helps reduce lag while controlling the drone, and the brushless motors improve stability in wind. Camera quality is decent for the price, especially in daylight conditions. However, like many budget drones, the 4K quality is more marketing-focused than professional grade. Pros: GPS return-to-home feature, obstacle avoidance system, brushless motors for stability, good FPV connection with 5G Wi-Fi. A solid beginner-friendly GPS drone for users who want stable flying and basic 4K footage. Number 2. V916 Max GPS drone. At number 4, we have the V916 Max. It features a triple camera system, 4K recording, a built-in screen controller, 5G Wi-Fi, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. This drone focuses heavily on convenience. The built-in screen controller means you don't always need a smartphone, which is a big plus for beginners. The triple camera system gives more flexibility in angles, and the GPS system keeps flights stable. It feels more advanced compared to entry-level drones. However, while it has many features, real-world camera performance is closer to mid-range quality rather than professional level. Pros: built-in screen controller, triple camera setup, stable GPS flight system, good beginner usability. Best for beginners who want an all-in-one drone with easy controls and multiple features. Number 3. RG806 Max drone. Coming in at number 3, we have the RG806 Max. It features a 4K Ultra HD camera, GPS positioning, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and a large remote screen display. This drone is built for longer and more stable flights. The battery life is one of its stronger points, making it suitable for outdoor travel and landscape recording. The brushless motors improve wind resistance, and the GPS system helps with stable hovering. The large screen controller makes flying easier without needing a phone. Camera performance is decent in good lighting conditions, and the drone feels more stable than cheaper models. Pros: strong battery life, stable GPS hovering, brushless motor system, large screen controller. A good option for users who want stability and longer flight time over portability. Number 4. V988 8K drone. At number 2, we have the V988 drone. It is advertised as an 8K drone with 4K recording, a screen controller, and brushless motors. It is also under 249 grams, making it more travel-friendly. This drone focuses on compact design and portability. Being under 249 grams is a big advantage because it makes it easier to travel with and use in more locations. It includes GPS flight features, obstacle avoidance, and dual camera systems. The screen controller adds convenience for flying without a phone. However, like many 8K drones in this price range, the actual camera performance is closer to upgraded 4K rather than true cinematic quality. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, portable and travel-friendly, GPS stabilization, built-in screen controller. Best for travelers who want a lightweight drone with smart features. Number 5. AE19 GPS drone. Finally, at number 1, we have the AE19 GPS drone. It features 8K/4K dual camera, 4.3-inch LCD screen, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and multiple battery options. This is the most feature-packed drone on the list. The multiple battery options give it strong flexibility for longer flying sessions. The GPS system is stable, and obstacle avoidance helps beginners avoid crashes. The built-in LCD screen means you can fly without needing a phone, which is very convenient. The camera is decent for aerial shots and social media content, especially in daylight conditions. Pros: multiple battery options, built-in LCD screen controller, GPS and obstacle avoidance, good overall feature balance. Overall, this is the best all-in-one budget 4K drone on AliExpress in 2026. So that was the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress in 2026. If you want the most stable flight, go for the L600 Pro. If you want portability, the V988 is a great choice. And if you want the most complete feature set, the AE19 stands out as the best overall. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.